Okay, so at this point, you should be able to roll back changes to any staged or unstaged files. So let's move on to looking at how to roll back an actual commit. Before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at our commits via the command line. I'm going to use a command called git log. I'm going to hit enter, and you see our commits. The most familiar part of this will be the commit message. You see added step 1 of input module, added input.module, and first commit. These are our 3 commits that we've made so far. But let me quickly talk you through the other parts here. This first line indicates what type of change was made. In this case, it was a commit. Now the second part here, in its randomness, might look a little familiar. We've run into shortened hashtags at various points so far, and this is the full hashtag. What this is a unique identifier for a revision inside of Git, and this hashtag is produced by running the entire contents of this revision through an algorithm that produces this string. Because there's an association between the state of the revision and this hashtag, then it becomes a way to make sure that we're dealing with the right set of files. So for example, if something has changed in this revision and we're checking to see if it's the same as a particular revision, then it simply needs to run the new set of files through this algorithm and compare the hashtag. If it's different, that means that there have been some changes. If not, it means that they're the same thing. This next line here is the author that made the commit. So this is a Git user, and the user typically has an email associated with them. And then here's the date that the commit was made, and the message. Now pretty soon we're going to be using the log function a lot. And so there's a parameter we can pass that will make it a little bit easier to read. We'll do git log, and then we'll pass one line to it. And when we look at it now, we see it's really short. We have a shortened version of the hashtag, we have the commit message, and that's pretty much it. And it's in reverse chronological order.